Wapagan. Corridas, Albinalew. Pass to number 4, Palakan. Nakuha sa Corridas. Good dribble, si number 13. Pass to number 13 again. Traveling Bayolacta. Number 7, with dribble. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Ni Itza. No good. Oras. 9 minutes and 1 second. Number 4. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 8. Number 13 again. Counted. It's a foul rep. Number 2. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Total. Oh, right. Second team foul. Oh. Bula sa Binalo. Pass to number 3. To number. Bula sa Corridas. 22. 22 again. Nilusot. Bang. 4-0. Labaw ang Corridas. Foul number. It's a foul red. Abela, number 4. First personal foul. First team foul. Out ang Bula sa Corridas. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Pass to number 4. Number 4, nilusot, nagmamadali. 2 points, Corridas. 6-0. Number 6, Dinalo. Pass to number 7. Number 7, nilusot, wala. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 8. Pass to 13. Number 8. 2 points. 8-0. Labaw ang Corridas. Traveling violation. Jersey number 2. 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Number 13. Nakuha sa number 7, pass to number 2. Traveling violation again, jersey number 2. Hula sa Corridas, pass to number 22. Nilusot. 2 points, 10-0, labaw ang Corridas. Jersey number 7, nagpailog. Ito kapasahan. Pass to Corridas team. 22. 24 guys. Pass to number 13. Ilusot. 2 points. 12-0. Labaw ang Corridas. Number 7. Number 7 nakuha sa number 8. Pass to number 13. 2 points. Number 13. I'm out.
I'm out.
Binaliw. 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 Jersey number 7. Dribble nagpailog. Pass to number 7 again. Out ball. Bula sa Corridas. Pass to number 8. To number 13. Yung dribble pass to number. No good. Bula sa Corridas.
sige sa Coliseum na to eh.
Jersey number 2. 22, pass to jersey. Traveling violation. Jersey 24. Number 7. Out. Bula sa Binaliw. 14-0. Labaw ang Corridas. Shot clock 19. Jersey 22. Oh. Mula sa Binaliw. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 14-0. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 7 again. Foul. Foul number 8. Alcantara. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 6. Good. Good. Number 6. Pass to 13. 3 points. No good. Wow! Ay, drinking kong prang kakang. Drinking ka na, dapit ka kay medyo wag inay alidira. 2-14. Labaw ang Corridas. Ulas, punit bola daw. Yeah, wap, fishing friend. 18 shot clock. Shot clock 18. Number 13, nakuha niya nilusot. No good. Number 22. 2 points. Nakuha number 13. Masud. Oh, foul. Out. Number 13. Bula sa Binaliw. 22. Number 7. Bula sa Binaliw. Dos dinisay. Number 7. Nilusot. Yay! Income parahas. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. 2-16. Labaw ang Corridas o Lusaran. Number 8. Nagmamadali nilusot. Royce, number 4. 2 points, number 4. Number 12. Number 12, nilusot. Pass to Kuya Tyson. Makuha Kuya Tyson out. 2-18. Labaw ang Corridas. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Pass to number 4, number 22. Nilusot. No good. Whoa. Number 4, pass to number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali. Nilusot. Win. Foul number 22, counted by number 7. 4-18, labaw ang Corridas o Lusaran. 2 minutes, 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Number 22. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Wow! Bula sa Corridas. 14 remaining. Oh, shot clock. 14 shot clock. Number 4. Nakuha sa number 2. Number 2. Wow! Number 7. Number 7. Gininaw kayo. Foul number 4. Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Pass to number 12. To number 2 points. Number 6. 55 seconds. 13 to 22. Shot clock 12. Good. Out. Out ball. 42 seconds. 6-18. Number 13. Number 13 nilusot. Whoa. Number 8. Number 7. 36. Late foul. Foul left. Number 4. 8. Penalty. 31 seconds. 6-18. Labaw ang Corridas. Rebound by number 22. Pass number 13. 24 seconds. 20. 19. Pass number 22. No good. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Jersey number 6. No good. Out ball. Punita, pulat, o prak-prak. Uy, nalabay irong nara. Ayaw na iro nila. Pass jersey number 19. Pass to 13. Pass to Yap. No good. 22, 2 points. 26. Yap. Need dribble. Nilusot. Wala masod. Number 7. Number 7, Lugas. Wow! 2 points, Lugas. 8-20. Shot clock, 19. 14. Number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to Lugas. Lugas. Pass to number 2. 2 points by number 2. 10-20. Labaw ang Lugas. Ang Lugas? Kanang Corridas. Number 10. Pass to number 19. Kita 2 points. 22-10. Lugas. Lugas. Pass to number 2. Nakwas number 22. Nakwas number 7. Pass to number 2. Nakuha ni Lugas. Lugas. 3 seconds violation. Okay. Jersey number 10. 17. Shot clock. Pass number 13. No good. Pass to number 2. Number 2 nagmamadali. Foul number 10. Yup. First personal foul. First team foul. Corridas. G's 22. Labaw ang Corridas. Nakuha number 13. Number 13. 2 points. Number 13 nakasot. Number 12, pass to number 7. Number 7. Foul. It's a foul number 13. Corridas. First personal foul, first team foul. Our second team foul. Number 4. 7 shot clock. 5, 3, 2, 1. Number 22. Pass to 19. Pass to number 22. Shot clock 15. Pass to 13. 3, 4, 2, di ay 2. 26, 10. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 2.6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time.
Pila score?
Itapusan, pass to 19. Pass to 13. 10 again. 10 points. 2 points. Number 13, nakuha. Nakuha number 7. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Number 6. Foul number 13. 13 foul.
Pila score dong?
Score 12-28. First personal foul, third team foul. Pass to 13. No good. 13. Dilusot. Pass number 6. Pass to number 2. Pass number 12. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. 3 seconds violation. 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Foul sa kanay baka. Oh, foul sa. Time out. Sorry. Oh no, nabasa ang tubig. Oh, nabasa ang bula. Napuhid, Zimmert. Kuya Jay. Kuya Zimmert. Number 13, nagda sa bula. Number 13, nilusot. Pass to 19, 13 again. 7, Lugas. Wak Masud. Number 12, Wak Yapon. Number 19. Oh, nasud ito. Number 10. Nasud. Number 19. Pass to, Kinsay out. Bula sa Dinalo. Oh, 14. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. 2 points by number Nugod. 22. Pass to 13. 15 shot clock. 10. Foul. Foul number 2. Oh. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Hoy, kadong, naunsa naman ka kadong. Naunsa. Kadong.
Pass to number 13.
Naunsa naman ka kadong.
Number 13. Bula sa Binali. Three seconds and 48 seconds remaining time. Ay, sorry. 22. Jersey 22. Ikribon. Lusot. Woo! Singkong kukong. Pass to number 10. Walking play. Oh, Lugas. Nilusot. Wahoo! 2 points. 16-28. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 2. Pass to Lucas. Shot clock 8. Nakuha sa 22. Pass to jersey number 10. Nilusot. No good. Nakuha sa jersey number 2. Hoy, out si Lucas. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Bola sa Corridas. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Shot clock 16. No good. Nakuha sa jersey number 4. Pass to Lucas. Lucas. Pass to number 2. Jersey number 2. Nilusot. 2 points. 18-28. Labaw ang Corridas. Number 13. Ni-dribble. Nilusot. Ipasa bola sa Binalo. 18-28. Labaw ang Corridas. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds. Number 2. What? Kabeling violation.
Si Manoy, wag ka pito.
Pass to Yap. Number 10. Jersey number 10. 13 shot clock. 10. 8. 7. 6. Bulat sa Binaliw.
Seconds.
Score 18-28. Labaw ang Corridas. Number 7. Paso number out ball. Direct rip. Ang amusugan din nag-disco time. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. 15 shot clock. Nakuha sa jersey number 2. 48 seconds. Woy! Traveling violation. Pass to 19. 19. Pass to number 13. No good. 25 seconds. Nakuha sa 19. 20 seconds. Pass 13. No good. 15, 14, 13, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Ang score.
score 18-28. Oy, nakuha mo ipit. Number 19.
Ay, saan papatunga diya, sir?
No good. No good. Number jersey number pink. Number pink. 2 points. 30-18. Pass to 7. Two points number 12. 18. On 18 yan. Bola sa Binaliw.
Niyabag. Tarungan. Naibe mo.
Nagubot na sa dito.
20-20.
Ambot lang, ang nagsubo.
7.
Palaybon, wan ang utanaw.
Number 4. Pass to number 2. Foul number 8.
Silong sa akin na, kaya nag-announcer ko.
Play.
Out lagi. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Sorry, kay Siki nasabak kay. Number 8. Pass to number 4. Stay down. Number 10. Ooh, wow, no good. Lucas! Lucas! Uy! Lucas, nilusot. One parang ping kung kung kung. 22-30. Yup. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, nilusot. Foul. Counted. Kisay foul rep. Kitas kamot. Number 12. Foul number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. Gracias. Sorry. Toad siya. Number 6. Number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 12. This is what my Toad. 24. Pass to number 4. Pass to Yap. Yap. No good. Nakuha ni Lucas. Lucas! Nagmamadali!
Wow!
24-33. Labaw ang Corridas. Nakuha 24. Foul. Isa foul rep. Foul number 4. Foul number 4. 4. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Second. Good. Nasud. Usa. 24-34. Labaw ang Corridas. Sud gihapon. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 2. Jersey number 2. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 10. Yup. Yup. Turn. Uy. Second personal foul. Jersey number 2. Pass to 12. Wak Masud. Nakuha jersey number 8. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 8. Pass to 24. Foul. Kisa foul. Foul number 4. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Wow. 24. It's a worst team.
Pero gitsa ko na kaya bloto.
Ha?
Wala pa to. Wala pa
Wa,
to.
nagkipat-kipat tara ba?
Wala pa to.
Kasi
Joke
di
pa to.
masanig sounds. Hala, lubat na yun na eh.
Ay, mura niya po. Sorry.
Ikaw sa
Yeah.
live, okay, magkuan ko, magkita ko screenshot.
Pag nunta ni Kuya Roy ba, pag ganang yung live.
Aman, ana.
Kinaunhan eh, pislita.
Asa ni?
Kanang
On
kinaunhan na sunod sa
point ka.
volume. Sunod sa volume.
Uy, out.
Long press. Long press.
Uy.
Number 2!
Long press.
At number 12. Number 6.
Dito kar mo.
2 points.
Long press.
Ha?
26-36.
Kini.
Long press.
5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time. At number 8. Wow, Masud. Nakuha sa number 4. Pass number 12. 12. Number 2. Nilusot.
Wow!
28, 30, 36.
Wow!
Oh no, it's pocket. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 6. Out good. Pistol. 28-36. Number 8. Pass to number 4. Nilusot. Yes, pam. 38-28. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Lucas. Lucas. Nilusot. Ay. Isa pa ulit. Number 4. Foul number 4. Warning for foul down. Number 4. King.
Asa number boy?
Pinal.
Penalty
Pili
na.
pa.
Substitute yun.
Number 12. Number 18. Number 19 day. Oh. Isa pa ulit. Number 2. Oh, number 2. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 24. Pass to Yap. Iksa. No good. Pass to 24. Pagyapon. Number 6. Number 2. Number 2. Pagyapon number 2.
Ah,
Oh.
lami. Agmo
Oh,
bata.
number 2.
Gabmay-gabmay lang bata, bro. Titing.
Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out. Uso na sila. Number 2. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Penalty.
Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to 6. 2 points, number 2. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Yap. Jersey number 10 pass. So, jersey 22. Ito kapasahan. Pass to 13. 13 nilusot. Waaay. 2 points. 32-32. Lugas. Lugas nagmamadali. Waaay. 2 points. Lugas. 22. Pass to 13. 13. Pass to 8. Pass to 22 again. 2 points. 44-34. Pass to jersey number 2. No good. Nakuha jersey 22. 1 second and 35. Oh, 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time.
1 seconds and 35 minutes.
Lucas. Out. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time.
Sangit sa loob yung bola.
Kunit!
Duduk.
Ano ba tawag yan? Ano po yung
Nata na screen da. Butangan da nagnit.
Sabi yan ang screen sa uma na lang.
Naaraman siguro dia.
Number 8. Pass to jersey number 13.
Ito ba ano, ipakapot na itong sagot.
No good.
Sagot na bro, ipakapot na itong sagot.
Isa, kasulat ko. Iyap. Lucas. Pass to number 2. Matud. Nakuha 24. 40 seconds. Yap. 2 points. 50-34. Jersey number 2. Oras. 28. Yap. 10. 10-2. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16. 2 points.
Uy, daghan kay ka-idol ni mo dong.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5 seconds.
Not counted.
Foul, kasi foul.
Managpito.
Number 2. Penalty. Penalty.
Penalty, warning for hold out.
Warning for foul out. Penalty.
Sikin sa mga. Number 2.
Number 2. Oh no, it's okay. Number 2 lagi. 36-52. 4 seconds. Good. Yap, 2 points. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fourth quarter na. Number 2. Dribble number 2. Pass to number 6. No good. Nakuha sa jersey 22. Pass to 13. Pass to Yap. Foul. Kasi foul. Number 12. Second personal foul. First team foul. First quarter na niya. Okay, running time. Yap. Wa masud. Wa ni Yap. Yapon. Wa yapon. Wa yapon niya. Foul yapon. Isa yapon foul. Foul number. Wait, isa na. Counted. 4. Foul number 4. Warning for foul out number 4. Yap. Wa masud. Nakuha sa number 12. Foul si Yap. Third personal foul. First team foul. Lugas. Lugas. Nilusot. Yes, sir. Nice score. 38-56. 13. 13. Nilusot. Wa masud. O pass to Kuya Tyson.
Dahil na lagi
Bula sa Corridas. Pass to 13. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 13. Nakuha 13. Wa masud yapon. Nakuha ni Lugas. Lugas. Pass to jersey number 2. Foul na hit shot. Ayay. Number 8 foul. Number 8 foul, uy. Oh. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 38-56.
Ako.
1 point. Jersey number 2. 2 points. Jersey number 10. Nagpailog. Oh. Kabo, kabo. Ito Tyson. Kakanin mo. Woo! Ah, 40-56. 8 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time. Number 6, 2 points. Number 6. 56, 42. 56. Yap. Dribble. Yap. Pass to 13. Wa masud. Nakuha 22. Pass to 13 again. No good. Pass to 12. Pass to jersey number 2. Bester. 40. Oh, 44-56. Pass to Yap. Yap. Ni Isa. Yes, sir. 5-8-4-4. 8 seconds out. 7 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. It's a foul. Loy.
Yap.
Oh. Number 10. Warning for foul out. Third personal foul out. Third team foul. Sorry. Lugar.
Sod.
Isa. Nakuha jersey number 6. Ni Ita. No good. Nakuha sa jersey 22. Jersey 22. Good. 2 points. 45-60. Jersey number 2. Yoga. 2 points by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 13. Hoy, wak maso. Nakwas jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 2.
Hinil dong. Dangog yo.
Ay, isa daw. Mingita kalusutan. Pass to number 6. 2 points by jersey number 6. 49-60. Nabaw ang Kridas.
Wala ginakaya.
10. Jersey number 10. Shot clock. Nakuha ni Lucas. Pass number 2. 2 points. 51-60. Time out.
Oh my goodness.
Jersey number 24. 2 points by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to number 12. Wow, what goes? Uy, out. Okay, yeah. 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining time. Number 6. 10 shot clock. No good. Nakuha sa jersey 22. Pass to jersey 24. Yes, sir. 24. 54. 64. 51. Lucas. Lucas. Pasa. Nakuha sa jersey 24. Pass to 13. 13. Wow. Inside foul. 13. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 2, dribble. Itakapsan, pass to Lucas. 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 Out Pailog. 10. Shot clock. 24, that was 24. Pass to Yap. Yes, sir. Nakuha jersey. Nilusot. Jersey number 2. Uy. Tabel daw. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. 51, 66. Jersey number 13. Nilusot. Pass to Yap. Whoa, wak masuk. Uy. Skipping. Oras. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 10. 9. 2 points. Yup. Lucas. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time.
Yay! Kauman lang yun, Joel.
Oh no, makuha. Jersey number 13. Oras, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Masud, nakuha number 12. Number 6. Bula sa Inaliw. Shot clock 20. Score 51 ay kabunti. 68. Number 6. Masud, nakuha ni Yap. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Yap. Whoa. Isa foul. Save. Yap. Fouled out. Teng. Penalty. Penalty red. Number 2. Jersey number 2. Trouble daw. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time.
Lalamoy mo na prito.
51-68. Pass to jersey 22. Pass. Oh. Stepping.
Ah, naka-stepping.
4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Pass to jersey number 12. Lucas. Pass to jersey number 6. Whoa. Damog yun, damog. Jersey number 2, 22. Oh, what was it? Number 13, 2.70, 51. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Lucas, 2 points. Oras, 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time. 53, 70. Labaw ang korida. Number 2. Foul. Foul number
Ang pinto
13.
na charge na yun. Lanza, kayo na siya tingin.
Lucas. Shot clock 15. Number 6. Abel. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time. Number 8, pass to jersey number. Pass to 13. It's a tres. No good. 24. 2 points. Oras, 3 minutes and 1 second remaining time. 2 points, number 2. 55. 72. Number 13. 13. Nasa bula. Shot clock 10. Nakuha ni Lucas. 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining time. Number 6. Oh, nasod. 58, 72. 57 guys. Number 8. Shot clock 13. 2 minutes and 16. Shot clock 12. Masud. Nakuha jersey 24. 2 points. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes.
Wala kita nagpamuse.
57, 74.
Opening man tayo. Nata nagpamuse.
Lucas, nagda sa bula. Wow, out ball. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining time.
Pwede naman mo time out.
13. 57, 74. 13.
Kaya naguba na yung...
Nagpailog. Out. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 52. Number 6. No good. Number 8. Nakos number 8. Kaso 22. Naginahinay. 22. Pagpailog. Shot clock 13. 24. No good. Out. Out Lucas. Out di ay. 52 di ay. Foul?
Out, out.
Out. Oh, may tawag anis. 24.
Wala.
Lucas. Nakasutong 24. Number 2.
Isa?
2 points. 24. 24. Oh, so, nasuna sa 24. 59 seconds. Lucas. Number 6. 2 points. Number 6. 56, 78, 46 seconds remaining time. 13. 13. Shot clock 13. 10. Foul. Sige, foul. Foul Lucas. Pass to jersey 24. Jersey 22. Ingit ka. Yes, sir.
Balay naman eh.
30 seconds. Shot clock 19. Number 6. Yes, sir. 20. Number 13. 15. Kapuhat number 2. 2 points. 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1. Ang score 63, 780. 63-80, labaw ang Corridas. Nagtaliksik na. Taliksik na. Sunod 2.